Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, the weekend is almost over. I hope you guys had the greatest weekend ever. Hope you enjoyed family and friends. Hope your travels was a safe one. And with that, we got a nice watch face to check out by my man GS, and the name of the watch face is called GS Digital 18. Now, I thought my man got down on this watch face. It's a nice look, the design is nice, of course all the layout of the information is nice, and everything is very legible. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look. It's going to be dimmed down in a black theme mode, which I thought looked awesome. Once the watch face is on, here's what you're going to get. At the top, you will get your battery info, your step status. Right across from that, you're going to get your heart rate information. Now, if you can look right here, you can see your heart rate. You can also see the different zones going around it. And also, you got animation so far as your heart rate is concerned, which I thought was a really good look. Now, if you come back over to the right, you're going to get your step information, calories burned, floors climbed. You're also going to get your digital time, which is big, bold, and legible, along with the AM and the PM stamp. Now, up under that, you will get the days of the week, and you also get your date, which is important. You're also going to get a moon phase as well, along with animated seconds. So I thought my man did a really good job on the layout and the design. He brought something new to the table, which I thought was a good look. Now, what else we get is that first, let's go into your menu. So if you want to know where everything is as far as how you customize this watch face, this is where you're going to go. Take a look there, and it'll let you know how you can customize it, which I thought was pretty cool. If I tap right here, I can set a favorite, and also if I want to, I can go and make a phone call, and I could tap into my alarms. But let's go in and let's check out this watch face features and functions and how to customize this awesome watch face. First, if I double tap at the top, I can brighten or dim the watch face. Me personally, I'm going to always leave it brightened because I cannot see. Now if I double tap right here, I can go into my heart rate information as well. And if I tap right here, I'm going to tap on the side. I can customize the bezel of the watch to many different colors and themes. Just cycle through, and you got so many to choose from. I thought that was a good look. And if I double tap in the middle, I can customize the background theme of the watch face, which I thought was super awesome. And if I tap over here, I can customize the texture of that. And I thought it wasn't a bad look, right? I thought it was cool. I thought it was super awesome. And also, if I double tap down at the bottom, I can customize that theme a little bit more. I can brighten it, or I can dim it. Me, again, I'm going to leave it brightened because I cannot see. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.